Hey everybody, this video is to help with the math work from January 20th. We did pages out of the volume 1 book 134 and 136. This will also help for the work on the 21st as well, and the 22nd. One of the things we talked a lot about in class is recognizing the patterns when we're talking about powers of 10. So the first row here is filled out for us. 300 becomes 3 times 100. And look at those zeros. Notice how many zeros there are. Because when we pull it apart using factors, we've got the same number of zeros. And when we write it as an exponent, the number of zeros becomes our exponent. In class, we discussed that exponents tell you how many times to multiply a number. So in other words, that exponent of 10 to the second equals 10 times 10. So our job is to fill in this blank here. We need to use factors of 10 to represent 3,000. We've already got the 3, so we need factors of 10 for 1,000. There are 1, 2, 3 zeros in 1,000. So we're going to use 3 tens. We're going to stick with that same pattern for the exponent form. This will be 3 times 10. Well, how many tens were there? 1, 2, 3. That will give us 10 to the third power. This final row, is a little bit different. It wants to know what number should go here. We have the 3. This 3 is in the 10,000s place here. So it needs to be 10,000. Our next blank is the exponent form, so we know that that's going to be 10 to a power. Well, let's count up these zeros, these tens. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be 10 to the first power, the second power, the third power, the fourth power. So we can put our 4 right there. 10 to the fourth power times 3, that's a 3 with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 10 to the third power times 3, that's a 3 with 1, 2, 3 zeros. Well, 10 to the second power times 3, 3 with 2 zeros.